Hello, traders and aspiring market wizards. Welcome back to the channel where we decode the markets and uncover potential opportunities. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating micro-cap stock that recently triggered multiple high-conviction signals on our scanners, NSRX. Get ready for a full breakdown. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Alright, let's talk about NSRX. This is a micro-cap stock operating in a sector that wasn't specified in our scanner data, which is common for very small companies. At a micro-cap, NSRX operates in the under -$5 price range, firmly placing it in penny stock territory, which often brings higher volatility and unique trading dynamics. So why did NSRX pop up on our radar? Our advanced screening strategies fled NSRX because its recent price action and indicator readings align with several powerful breakout patterns. First, the algorithmic, or horizontal range breakout, was detected. This strategy looks for the price breaking above a clear consolidation zone. For NSRX, the price action shows it has indeed moved above a defined horizontal range. However, this strategy typically demands expanding volume for confirmation, and we must note that today's volume is currently 0 shares, with a 30-day average volume also at 0 shares. This indicates the pattern is present, but the crucial volume validation for a true breakout is yet to materialize, making NSRX a high-potential watchlist candidate awaiting a significant volume surge. Next, the algorithmic, or falling channel breakout, triggered. This strategy identifies when a stock breaks above a series of lower highs, indicating a potential trend reversal. For NSRX, we see a shift in its downtrending structure. We also saw Paloma Once, a pre-breakout squeeze. This occurs when a stock is in a tight consolidation, indicated by a low ADX, the average directional index, a measure of trend strength suggesting quiet accumulation before a move. Price is also trading above its EN at 20, the 20-period exponential moving average, which is a key short-term trend indicator. This strategy anticipates volume expansion, but as we discussed, current volume for NSRX is negligible. We also got a Tobo Avsisi, or double bottom hunter signal, which seeks out stocks showing positive 3-month performance with their RSI, the relative strength index, a momentum oscillator measuring price change speed and strength in the momentum zone, which is between 45 and 68, and increasing average volume. NSRX exhibited the price performance and RSI strength, but the increasing volume is a condition that, in a live trade, would still need to develop. Finally, dip and gut top layer, or strength from the lows, and POC delta point of control plus delta pressure were also flagged, both looking for low ADX consolidation, price above key moving averages, positive RSI, and volume cues. For NSRX, the patterns are setting up, but the current zero volume means any significant move would require new buyers to step in. Technical analysis deep dive. Let's zoom into the technicals. While the current zero volume is a critical consideration for NSRX, the scanner identified the underlying structure that often precedes powerful moves. The signal was confirmed by the VWAP, or volume-weighted moving average, and EMA alignment. This means that, theoretically, the stock's price is trading above its volume-weighted average, suggesting buyers are in control when volume is present. Trend strength, as measured by ADX, is above 18, which implies a genuine trend could be forming, not just random noise. The RSI is in a healthy momentum zone, between 45 and 68, indicating buying pressure is building without being overbought. All of these indicators, when combined, create a powerful filter, but for NSRX to truly capitalize, we need to see substantial volume come into the stock, moving away from today's 0 shares traded, and the 30-day average of 0 shares. Imagine a stock that has been quietly coiling, building energy below a key resistance level. That's what our horizontal range breakout is looking for in NSRX. Or a stock shaking off its past downtrend, with bullish momentum starting to take hold. That's the essence of the falling channel breakout. The pre-breakout squeeze indicates NSRX is consolidating tightly, like a spring ready to release, though it needs volume to compress further and then expand. Our double bottom hunter strategy suggests that NSRX has found its footing and is starting to gather strength from previous lows, with the RSI showing developing momentum. And strength from the lows further confirms this accumulation phase, where smart money might be positioning, just waiting for liquidity to flow in. Based on these scanner triggers, here are the key levels for NSRX. Our scanner entry signal price is set at $4.1223. This entry point is strategically chosen based on the breakout from the detected consolidation patterns. To protect against adverse moves, our stop-loss level is tight at $4.1017, just below their recent support, limiting potential downside. Our take-profit targets are ambitious, reflecting the potential of these breakout setups. T-Pro at $4.3284, TP4 at $4.5345, and TP3 at $4.7406. This gives us an outstanding risk/reward ratio of 1:10.0, meaning for every dollar risked, we're aiming for $10 in potential profit, assuming the volume confirmation eventually materializes. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. For NSRX, the absolutely critical factor to watch for is volume. We need to see a significant surge in today's zero shares traded, moving well above its 30-day average of 0 shares. Sustained volume above the average would confirm buying interest and validate the breakout patterns identified. If NSRX fails to attract volume and starts to drop below our entry, or specifically breaks the stop-loss level of $4.1017, that would invalidate the setup. Watch for continuation on consecutive days. We want to see higher highs and higher lows accompanied by increasing volume to confirm the trend. NSRX has presented a compelling pattern-based setup on our scanners, highlighting its potential for significant move, but it's a textbook example of a stock waiting for its catalyst, volume. Keep this micro-cap on your radar and watch for that vital volume confirmation. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth stock breakdowns, and let us know in the comments below what stocks you'd like us to analyze next. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.